Hey there, crazy couponers, it's me, Eric, and welcome back to my channel. So I have for you guys today some Dollar General 12/22/2018 deals. That is a Saturday only with the $5 off 25 digital coupon. And I have a total of 4 different deals that you guys can choose from. Probably one of them will be similar to one from like last week, I believe, that is still currently going on, and we still have the manufacturer coupon for it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and just jump right into these deals. The first deal that you're going to want to do, or if you decide to do, is both digital and paper coupons. So what you're going to want to pick up is either 2 of the Purex, Snuggle, or all products as assigned, or mix and match for 2 for $8. And then you're going to want to pick up 1 Scott's Comfort Plus. It has to be the Comfort Plus. The 12 count rolls at $4.75. Then pick up 1 Scott's Paper Towels, the 6 count rolls at $4.75. And pick up 4 of the Febreze Unstoppables fabric spray or wax melts, or mix and match, whichever ones you prefer, at $4 each. So the total before coupons is going to be $33.50. Then a couple of the following things are going to happen. $3 off 15 instant savings for buying Purex, all, or Snuggle products will come off. Then for spending $12 on Febreze products, $2 will come off from the total. Then the $5 off 25 digital coupon will apply next. Then you're going to want to clip the $4 off of 2 Purex /all/Snuggle digital coupon. Then you're going to want to clip the 75 cents off of 1 Scott's toilet paper digital coupon. Then clip the 75 cents off of 1 Scott's paper towel digital coupon. And then you're going to use 2 of the buy one get one free Febreze Unstoppable products from the December PNG, which has a max value of $4. So the final price for all 8 products are going to be $10 or just $1.25 each, which constitutes to a 70% savings. So not a bad deal at all, considering you're getting 8 products for $10 or at $1.25 each, which is the Febreze Unstoppables is expensive. So I would say take advantage if you decide to do this deal, okay? So the next deal we have is an all digitals scenario with J&J and some of the Purex and Scott's or Snuggles products as well. So here's the breakdown. You're going to want to pick up a J&J head to toe shampoo /wash at $4. Then pick up 1 J&J lotion as priced at $4, as well as J&J baby powder at $4. Then you're going to want to pick up 2 Purex all/Snuggle products, mix and match, again, 2 for $8. Then pick up 1 of the Scott's Comfort Plus 12 rolls, toilet paper at $4.75. Then pick up 1 Scott's Paper Towels, the 6 count rolls at $4.75. Your total is going to be $29.50. Then the $3 off 15 instant savings for buying the Purex all or Snuggle products will apply first. Then the $5 off of 25 digital coupon will come off next. So then you're going to just clip the following coupons to your account, which is the $2 off of 1 J&J baby wash digital coupon. Then the $2 off 1 J&J lotion /oil digital coupon. Then the $2 off of 1 J&J powder /wipes digital coupon. Then you're going to want to clip that $4 off of 2 Purex digital coupon. Then the 75 cents off of 1 Scott's toilet paper digital coupon. And the 75 cents off of 1 Scott's paper towels digital coupon. So after all coupons, your final total is going to be $10 for 7 items, or just $1.43 each, which is a 66% savings. And it's pretty good because considering the fact that we're getting toilet paper, paper towels, some J&J, and a good size Purex all or Snuggle products. So, and mix and match, like I said. So good deal for that one. Then the third deal is both mixture of digital and paper coupons. This one, you're going to want to pick up 1 J&J head-to-toe shampoo /wash at $4. Then the J&J lotion at $4. And pick up 1 J&J baby powder at $4. And then buy 4 Febreze Unstoppable products at $4. So your total is going to be $28. And then you're gonna that $2 off of 12 instant savings for buying Febreze products will come off first. Then the $5 off of 25 digital coupon will come out next. Then you're gonna want to pick up the use the $2 off of one J&J baby wash digital. Then the $2 off of one J&J lotion / oil digital coupon. Then clip the $2 off of one J&J baby powder / wipes digital coupon. And then you're going to use 2 of the Febreze Unstoppable paper coupons from the December P&G, which has a max value of $4. So after all coupons, your final price is going to be $7 for 7 items, or just $1 each, which is a 75% savings. So from $28 down to $7. I think that's a pretty amazing deal. So this is also another scenario that you can do while shopping at Dollar General this Saturday. So then the last deal that we'll have for you is just a repeat deal from last week, because the deal is still going on. And like I said, the coupon does expire this weekend. So if you're still planning on doing this deal, you have until this Saturday to do it. So you're going to want to pick up 8 of the Febreze Unstoppable products, for fabric spray or the wax melts at $4 each, which is total before coupons is $32. Now, I want to put out a quick disclaimer. Now, the coupon does say limit of 2, so it just depends on your store / cashier, whether or not, or management, and as well as stock, just put it out there just in case that if they want to accept more than 2 coupons, because the coupon limit for their policy is up to 5 coupons, but they have the right to actually honor the manufacturer's limitations on the coupons, so it's just up to them. So that's just a quick disclaimer. So the $2 off of 12 instant savings coupon will apply first, and this will come off twice. It's because we did spend $12 twice. So the total is well above $24, and we're getting just Febreze products. So this will apply twice. And then you're going to use the $5 off 25 digital coupon. And then you're going to want to use 4 BOGO Febreze Unstoppable coupons from the December P&G, which has the max value again at $4. So the final price for everything is $7 for 8 Febreze products, or just 88 cents each, which is a 78% savings. For from going $32 down to $7 is a really great deal for Febreze Unstoppables, and we rarely ever get deals for Unstoppables, so definitely something worth doing if you decide to do this deal. Now, one more thing I do want to mention is this here, which is save $5 on your next purchase when you buy any of the select gift sets here that is listed. So we have Tone, Dial, Gillette, Old Spice, Axe, Dove, or Suave gift sets. And they are priced at, oops, sorry, I almost dropped my camera. They are priced at $10 each. And when you buy 2, you're going to get a $5 coupon, which does come after you make your purchase. So it's going to appear at the bottom of your receipt. Now, you have until the 22nd to get this coupon and to redeem the coupon by, I think, at the 31st of this month as well. Or no, it's redeemable until the 7th of January of 2019. Now, this cannot be combined with any other Dollar General coupon offers, so it wouldn't be able to be applied with the $5 off of 25 if you're trying to do that. But it would just have to be like, you know, you get your total to about $30, then the $5 comes off, then the $5 off 25. But I think that could still interfere with that coupon, the $5 off 25 digital. So if you're going to plan on buying something, or you need like toilet paper or something like that, and you wanted to use that $5 coupon that printed afterwards, you can do that. So you just have to split your transactions. But I think this could be a decent deal if you mix, if you're trying to find a gift for someone for Christmas, or friends, relatives, coworkers, whatever be the case, and you wanted to pick up a couple gift sets, you could do that, and then you get that $5 coupon at the end of the after the transaction. So, but I just thought, like I said, I just mentioned this if you guys are out trying to get these gift sets as well, so that you get your $5 coupon at the end. So With that said, this is Crazy Couponing with Eric signing off. Happy couponing, guys, and we'll see you guys next time in the next video. Okay, bye.